Alright, this is my summertime gun range overhaul. I got these 3 tables done. I use stain and sealant because I ain't doing this every year, you know what I'm saying? But 2 5-hour days out here so far in this fucking heat. It's like 90-some degrees. But trying to build a little gun station for my ammo and everything so we don't lose bullets. Just throw shit up there and go for it. Started mowing, but it's getting dark. And like I said, it was like 92 here in Lanesville, Indiana. And that's too much for me for one day. But we'll get it together.